Google Docs is a helpful tool for anyone who needs to create documents on a daily basis. It comes with features like voice typing, templates for documents, bookmarks, and autosave that make it easy to use. Not just this, you can share documents with others in a matter of seconds to collaborate in real time. You can even customize permissions so that the people you are sharing a document with can either just read, comment, or make changes. While Google Docs is an online tool, you can use it offline too if you don't have a stable internet connection. Here is how. To use it on your smartphone, follow these steps. Open Google Docs and select the document you want to edit offline later. Click on the three dots next to the file and select Make Available Offline. It will be downloaded and can be edited offline now. You can also make offline functionality the default by tapping Settings and enabling the option Make Recent Files Available Offline. You can also make Google Docs available offline on your laptop. Here is how. Download the Google Chrome offline extension. Open Google Drive. Tap on Settings on the top right and select Offline. Make sure you are signed into Google Chrome to use this. Isn't it so quick and easy? So don't panic and try this the next time your internet connection is giving you a hard time. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.